Hello everyone, welcome back to minsha'sworld. I am Minsha. Today we will see the recipe of tomato ketchup. This recipe is free from preservatives and the taste of tomato ketchup is fantastic. If you like this recipe, do get this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more wonderful recipe. Don't forget to your suggestion and comment below. So let's check out the recipe. Friends, for the recipe I take here 1 kilo of red tomato. We need to cut it into big pieces. So I take here. Okay, now we can cut it. Like this tomato. Friends, I removed the eye portions of the tomato. We cutted the whole tomato. Now we need to serve it into a plate. You can see the tomato is fresh and juicy. Friends, now we need to cook our tomato in a pressure cooker. Friends, I take here a pressure cooker. Now we can add our fresh tomato. Now it's ready. Now we can cool down it for 30 minutes. Friends, now we can take the whistle. Okay. Now we can open our pressure cooker. You can see our tomato is cooked well. Friends, now we can pour our cooked tomato into our jar. Next we can pour our tomato mix into the strainer. Now we can just mix it. Now we can add little more water. Our tomato slurry is ready. I take here a pan. Now we can add our tomato slurry into it. Now we can add 1/4 cup of vinegar. We can mix it again. Friends, now our sauce is almost thick. Now we can add 1 teaspoon of cornflour mixed with water. This cornflour mix gives a thick to our ketchup. We can mix it well. Friends, I am adding very little quantity of corn flour. If you want more red color, you can add food color into it. It's optional. When it becomes thick, we need to mix it well. It's being thick. They are coming bubbles. Now we can check the consistency of our ketchup, whether it is ready or no. Our ketchup thickness is ready. It's too thick. There is no water content. Friends, our ketchup is ready. Switch off the flame and let it cool. Friends, now our tomato ketchup is ready. It is too beautiful and tasty. You can store it in an airtight container for almost 15 days. Look this ketchup. It is doesn't like a homemade ketchup. So do try this recipe and enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.